Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best silver will paint is probably one of the most effective ways to refresh your car's appearance. Whether you're aiming to cover up scratches, change the color, or simply give your wheels a fresh, clean look, this product is designed to deliver. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of silver will paint, exploring its benefits, application, and what makes a great product stand out. Number 5. Dupli-Color HWP101 Will Paint, Silver. Introducing Dupli-Color Will Paint. This fast-drying paint is designed to restore the original appearance of your wheels. It provides a durable finish that protects against various elements. The advanced acrylic enamel formula ensures superior adhesion to steel, aluminum, and plastic wheels. It shields the wheels from brake dust, chemicals, and chipping, keeping them looking great for longer. With its easy-to-use spray nozzle, this paint ensures maximum coverage for a long-lasting finish. It dries quickly, allowing you to handle the wheels in just an hour. Ideal for wheels and accessories, this Dupli-Color spray paint is perfect for customizing or dressing up worn-out wheels. It's a simple way to refresh the look of your vehicle. Dupli-Color has been a trusted leader since 1938, providing innovative products. This will paint continues the tradition of easy-to-use solutions to restore and protect your vehicle's appearance. What we like. This paint offers a durable finish, protecting your wheels from brake dust and other hazards. With its easy-to-use spray nozzle, it ensures maximum coverage for a long-lasting finish. If you're looking to restore your wheel's original appearance and protect them from the elements, this is the perfect choice. What people say. With proper prep, cleaning, sanding, and using a good primer, the finish came out looking smooth and clean. Spraying was super easy, no clogging, and it works well at any angle, which really helped with getting into the edges and contours. The paint dried relatively quickly and has a nice satin black finish that looks OEM. Number 4. Rust-Oleum 248927 Will Spray Paint, 11 ounces, steel. This will spray paint is perfect for metal wheels and plastic hubcaps. It's an oil-based formula that dries quickly, offering great durability. You'll be amazed at how fast it dries. In just 10 minutes, it's dry to the touch, and it covers up to 8 square feet. This paint is dent and scratch resistant, ensuring a long-lasting finish. It also prevents corrosion and rust, keeping your wheels looking their best. It provides a glossy, high-shine finish, giving your wheels a brand new look. It restores the original look of your wheels and hubcaps. The formula stops rust, protecting your wheels from the elements. It's a simple way to keep your wheels looking great for longer. What we like. This paint not only restores your wheels but also prevents rust, ensuring longevity. It dries quickly, allowing you to get back on the road sooner. If you are looking for a quick and effective solution to refresh your wheels while preventing future corrosion, you should consider this. What people say. Dried quickly and sprayed evenly. Spray was even and consistent. The product is very good, easy to use and high durability. Long-lasting protection. Number 3. SYOUTO Silver Rim Scratch Repair Pen. Small scratches can lead to bigger problems like corrosion. This repair kit can seal those scratches away. If you have silver rims, this product is a must-have. Road hazards like flat tires and curb damage often cause scratches. You'll want this silver touch-up paint to fix those alloy rims. It's designed to make your rims look great again. This rim repair is simple to use. Just clean the surface and shake the pen for a couple of minutes. The pen is great for small chips, and the brush covers larger areas. It dries quickly. Practice on scrap metal first to get the hang of it. Take your time to apply the right amount of paint. You'll find this is an economical way to prevent rust. The silver paint matches about 90% of silver rims. If it doesn't work for your car, contact us. We'll take responsibility to make sure you are satisfied. What we like. This touch-up pen is designed for quick and easy scratch repair, preventing further damage. It dries in just minutes, making it convenient for on-the-go fixes. If you have minor scratches and want a simple, economical way to stop your rims from rusting, this is the one for you. What people say. I use this on my 2024 Honda Ridgeline Black Edition rims. Works great, covered up all the scuff marks. You'll have to put about 2 to 3 coats on, but it dries pretty fast. The brush applicator made it incredibly easy to apply precisely where I needed it, and it dried quickly with a beautiful shine. It goes well on bare aluminum and steel, which most inferior touch-up paints struggle with. Number 2. SMAPHY Silver Rim Touch-Up Paint. Are you tired of those unsightly scratches on your wheels? This kit is perfect for covering up those inevitable scrapes and curb damage. Save yourself time and money by avoiding a trip to the body shop. Don't let minor scratches turn into major issues. Unrepaired areas can expose the metal, leading to oxidation and rust. This product helps keep your wheels looking like new. The repair process is easy. Just clean the area, shake the pen, and apply. It dries quickly, allowing you to build up layers for a perfect finish. Practice makes perfect. Try it on scrap metal or cardboard first to get the hang of it. Light sanding after application will make the surface more glossy and the color more consistent. This light silver paint matches over 90% of light silver wheels. The customer service team is ready to help, offering solutions like product replacements or refunds. What we like. This kit is ideal for covering those inevitable scratches caused by daily driving. It's easy to apply, saving you time and money. If you like to keep your wheels looking like new and want a simple solution for curb rash, you should consider this. What people say. The color matched up perfectly with the matte black of my wheels. Everything blended nice and smooth. The paint has stayed on even after multiple washes, so it seems durable. Number 1. Silver Rim Touch-Up Paint will hub scratch repair. This paint is designed for aluminum alloy and iron wheels. It forms a durable, protective layer that is anti-rust and waterproof, ensuring it won't fade over time. It protects the wheel from various elements. The protective layer shields the wheel's scratch area from sand, dirt, water, and other contaminants. This helps maintain the wheel's appearance and prevents further damage after car washes or rain. Simply clean the scratched area, shake the pen, and apply the paint until the scratch is covered. It saves you time and money, making scratches much less noticeable. The product has a 4-year validity period. After use, tighten the cap and store it upright for long-term effectiveness. It's ready for the next time you need it. It dries in about 10 minutes at normal temperatures. You can quickly apply multiple layers until the scratch is fully filled, saving you valuable time. If you're not satisfied, contact us anytime. We're happy to help, and our engineers provide professional guidance. We are here for you. What we like. This paint creates a protective layer, shielding your wheels from the elements. It's easy and quick to apply, saving you time and money. If you have scratches and want a long-lasting solution with great after-sale service, you should consider this. What people say. The paint is very easy to apply. This matched my factory color well, and time will tell if it stays on. Made the scuffs and marks disappear from a standing distance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.